Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E5HY196. 2005 Hyundai. Kia Sorento with a 3.5. There, it stopped stealing. We got it running off a spray bottle. The fuel pump was broken, so it's a temporary run, but it is running nice and smooth. The oil was nice and clean. And this vehicle has 129,521 miles on it. Let's see if I can give it some gas, if it'll rev or not. Well, actually it won't because of, yeah, well. There it goes. That's good. You can shut her down. I'll shut the key off again. That's the first. Hey, it worked. Just so everybody's aware, the fuel pump is broke from the accident. That's why we had it run that way. But it did run good. Thanks again for watching J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E5HY196.